Let's quickly delve into the understanding of benefits, work benefits, when it comes to health or proactive health. The idea behind benefits is to give you guidance in ways that you can help benefit your health, called benefits. The issue with this is they are not a solution to solving an issue. They're just there to give you more insight into a particular practice. Physiotherapy, massage therapy, chiropractic, all these things are small outlets, thus the amount allotted to them are also less. It is not your company's job to make sure that you're healthy, but it is their job to show you different ways of gaining or maintaining your health. Ultimately, it is in your best interest to maintain your health because then you become a greater person for all other things at work and at home. It is in benefit of the company to make sure you use your benefits. Therefore, you're a more productive and balanced employee, adding more creativity and vigor and energy to the office, therefore creating more results. The problem, though, is the way we start to utilize these benefits is only in the way of, well, I only want to spend this much. I'm only going to use my benefits for my health, which is not close to enough to address the issue. Knowing that by the time you actually have an issue that you're going to use benefits specifically for, my back hurts, several things have been impacted already. Therefore, there's no possible way that you can balance out these effects simply with the allotted amount of energy or money placed into that practice. In fact, it's always going to involve more than one practice, hands down. You'll have massage, physio, chiropractor, maybe for only one back issue. And that's not to say that that is the origin of that back issue, just the latest expression that your body is choosing to bring to your attention. So, the better thing to think now, if we're going to look at why are people not using the benefits, are they too busy? Do they not have the time? Do they not see the value in using the benefits for their health? Doesn't really make sense, but it's possible, right, if you're busy. I think it might then be in the greatest interest of the company to provide more information, allowing people to understand the value of using the benefits and how to use the benefits. We can say that if they're not being used, the proper value is not being placed on them. We all know health is important. We all need health to survive. So we have to put a greater emphasis. If we are hoping as a business to create the greatest results from people, we have to make sure we attend properly to their understanding of what these health things are for and how to utilize them in a way that is proactive before they get ill, before they get injured, before they take time off work, before they get sick, which is the purpose of the whole thing. So this is something that you need to do more strong researching in understanding why people are not using them or limiting their use of the benefits that you're providing for their gain and your gain.